Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see use of wildcard in Bash script to copy files. Wildcard is a character or a string used for pattern matching. Sometimes wildcards are also referred as globbing. Globbing expands the wildcard pattern into a list of files or directories. Wildcards can be used with the most commands such as ls, rm, cp. Let's see a demo of wildcard. First, I'm going to create a directory in my present working directory by using command mkdir and the name of the directory I want to create, web. My goal is to copy all the HTML file from a current directory to the web directory by our bash script. Now I'm going to create a few empty HTML files by using command touch, and here is the file name such as task1.html and one more task2.html test. So I have these two files created in my current directory. Now I'm going to change it to web directory by using cd command, and over here I will run pwd command for present working directory. It will give me the path of the web folder, the complete path. I need this path in my script. I will copy this one and change back to my home directory by cd command. Now I will write a script. I already added shebang and bin bash. Now I'm going to use for file in star.html. That means copy all the files. This is the wildcard, the asterisk sign or star sign. This asterisk sign will match 0 or more characters. So asterisk sign over here will match all the file names which end with .html extension. And now I'm going to add do and echo. Copying and the file name $sign and file, and this will print out the file name that we are copying as we loop through all the files in our current directory. And cp command is for copying file. And over here, the file name that we want to copy, and I need to paste that path where that's the destination folder where this file will be copied. And now I'm going to add it done. That's it. It's very simple. Just need to save it. And when I run our script, we can see over here copying task1.html, copying task2.html, and now I'm going to print the content of a web directory by using ls command -l and the path of that web directory, the whole path, home, same or web, or you can pass in the relative path, whatever way you like. And over here we can see those files are copied. This is task2 and this is task1. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.